Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. Are you ready for some more great Photoshop tips and tricks? Now, I've got a picture of myself in the background here, just sitting on a nice background. And first of all, I'm going to select the Object Selection tool. And there you go. You can see I've already selected myself. Now, you can see that it's selected the glasses part as well, which sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. I'm just going to take the Marquee tool and just deselect that from the selection. And that's perfectly fine now. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll create a mask now by just simply clicking on that. It's so simple. So we have a mask now, so that's already subtracted. I'm just going to move myself a little bit further down because obviously I'm sitting down and I don't want it to look like I'm sitting on nothing. So I just put myself at the bottom there in the square. Okay, that's great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to simply go up and choose a layer. Okay. Now we will click on the mask now on the layer and we've got a selection and we'll just inverse that selection under select. And you can see we've selected everything outside of my body. Okay, so we've got office background. We're just going to generate one here and let's have a quick look at it. So you can see it's given us like a nice background setting, a couple there. So what we're going to do is, again, let's make the selection. We've selected the body and we've inverted it. And now we're going to do home furniture setting. So let's have a look. So that's a nice picture, a nice home background with some shelves. Number 2 is some picture frames, and the third one is a nice lamp and bookcase as well. So that looks pretty cool. Right then, so let's go up to layers again, and we'll do exactly the same. We'll just switch off that layer first, and we'll just select again and inverse. And here we go. And let's do a NASA space station. Let's put that in there and generate again. And you can see that every time we're just generating like a little jetpack there or something, satellite in the background. And the third one is the planet, so the Earth. So you see how simple it is to generate. It's just like getting stock imagery, but much quicker. Okay, so we'll do the same again. We'll go to the layers. We'll just unclick the background, select again, and we'll inverse as usual. Here we go. I'll just show you the other way. Instead of apply, you go up to select. Okay, and then switch off the layers. And let's just simply go generate again, Hawaii beach sunset. And there we go, great picture, one out of focus, one in focus, and the third one a very pleasant picture indeed. So really cool. Same again, we're just going to generate now a football stadium. Let's see what we get now. Press generate. Okay, there I am in the stadium with the grass behind me. Here I am a bit further out with the actual seating. And again, the same sort of picture here. So we're going to do the same again, and we're just going to keep generating until we have enough there. By the flag on the golf course. Okay, let's see it. Right, lovely picture again. We've got the golf flag behind us. Obviously a bit unfortunate the flag's sticking out the top of my head, but you know, we can always adjust that if we wanted to. And here we are on the golf course. So I like it. Pretty cool. Okay, and we'll just go up and we'll click on the selection again and we'll just inverse that. And we're going to go with AI robots this time. So let's put some in the background and see what we come up with now, okay? So here we go. That's a cool one. Okay, just a hand in that picture. And the third one's quite cool too. But I really like the first one. So let's go back to that one. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just select myself this time. And we're going to fill in the area of me now, but with futuristic robot, right? So let's bring that into my positioning and you'll see that it will fit it exactly into my shape. So that's cool. I quite like that. Okay, that's a bit odd. And let's have a look. And the third one is good too. So let's use that one. That's really good. And let's just retouch out the parts in the shape that just are the remnants of the rest of the picture. And that's really easy. We just do a quick retouch over that, just nice and quickly, just to make it see there. Obviously, we could do that better if we took some more time, but that looks really good. And there we've got it. Look, there's me as an AI robot on an AI background. You see how easy it is to do this? Generative fill from Photoshop AI. Fantastic. So thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and tips, and join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. I'll see you next time, and all the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers, and bye-bye now.